Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to Lab 3 for Game 3001, Artificial Intelligence. My student ID is 101367286. Here, we're going to start with the document. I have all the things I've done highlighted, which everything has been completed, so that's why it's all highlighted there. So we'll start with the first thing, which is added Lab 3 to the master or Lab 5, sorry, to the master repo. We'll go here. As you can see, Lab 5's here. Has a history of commits. If I go into settings and collaborators, you can see Alex and Tom are collaborators. Shelly is here for assignment 2 because it's on the same repository. Anyways, let's get into the code now. So, find the shortest path algorithm is created without flaw. So let's find here, shortest path, find it. This is all the code for it. Sees what tiles are open and it can create a path. It can be changed depending on Euclidean and Manhattan due to the cost of the tiles. Display and reset of paths are implemented without flaw, so you'll see that in a moment. I'm just scrolling through the code right now, but I'll show the actual thing in a sec. Few impassable tiles, not random, are implemented without flaw. So I have the non-random stuff here. I randomly chose those myself, and they're set as impassable. And a bonus mark is random impassable tiles. So here I have random impassable tiles, and their position is it grabs a temporary X and Y. Then it chooses a random number there, and it's in a do while loop. So it'll do this first, choose the random numbers, and it will check if it's in the same spot as the goal position and start position. Actually, this should be and this should be and as well, because this is the X and the Y, and this is the X and the Y for the goal position. And I'll show you in a sec that works perfectly fine. The I'm GUI controls work perfectly. I'll show that in a moment. And ship moves along its path without flaw, which here's the ship code. Now, I'll go into the good stuff. Here I'll build the game. My Visual Studio has been running slow recently, so unfortunately we're gonna have to wait for that. Yeah. Well, this is nice. There we go. All right. Thank you for waiting. We'll open up I'm GUI. We'll toggle the grid. And here you can see all the Euclidean distance. I like using a Euclidean because it runs into less problems. Here you can see the impassable tiles. There's one there, one there, one there. I can reset pathfinding and it randomizes a bunch more of them. You can keep on resetting. And it just sets 5 of them. You can change that by setting the number of the for loop here. And so I can press find shortest path. It's avoiding the 2 impassable tiles there. I can reset it, find another short path. It goes there. We can start the ship. It will start heading to the goal. And you can see an impassable tile there. And we can reset the simulation. And it resets everything. So yeah. Everything works perfectly fine. You can see that the I'm GUI controls work perfectly, moving the ship, moving the target, finding a path, then starting, then resetting the path or resetting the simulation. We can switch between Manhattan and Euclidean, and yeah. So that's it for this lab. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.